House of Salamat Hashim, Allah Yarham. The structure was the family home of Salamat Hashim, the founder of the More Islamic Liberation Front, an organization that played a pivotal role in advocating for the rights and self-determination of the Muslim minority in the Philippines. Over the years, this residence has become a symbol of resilience and unity for the Bangsamoro people, embodying their long struggle for peace and autonomy. It also serves as a reminder of the complex history involving the armed forces who were once adversaries in the conflict but later became partners in the peace process. The shared sacrifices, challenges, and eventual cooperation between the MILF, and the armed forces underscore the transformative power of dialogue and mutual understanding. Together, they have shown that even in the face of their adversity, communities and institutions can come together to build a foundation for a more peaceful future. Today, the Salamat Hashim residence, Allah Yarham, stands not just a historical landmark, but as a beacon of hope and transformation. For the Bangsamoro people, it symbolizes their enduring commitment to resilience, unity, and peaceful future. The residence also represents the evolving relationship between the Bangsamoro community and the armed forces, who now work together to preserve peace and foster stability in the region. This collaboration reflects the collective aspiration to transcend the divisions of the past, ensuring that hope, love, and peace guide the present and future generation. By honoring their shared history and embracing reconciliation, the Bangsamoro people and the armed forces are demonstrating that true progress is achieved through cooperation, understanding, and a shared vision for lasting harmony. Through these efforts, the Bangsamoro people are building a society where the future generation can inherit a legacy of peace and prosperity. So yan po, I was here in House of Salamat Hashim, Allah Yarham. Thank you so much dahil nakapunta kami dito. And thank you so much sa nag-invite kami dito dahil kanilang